On today's What Is It, we've got a handful of components from BMR Suspension. What it is a killer S550 Mustang suspension upgrade from BMR. Diving in, we are featuring 4 of our favorite suspension upgrades for the S550 Ford Mustang. Off the bat, this includes BMR's lower control arm spherical bearings, cradle bushing lockout kit, IRS subframe support brace system, and the on-car adjustable tie rods. Let's go over the details. First on the list, lower control arm spherical bearings. These guys drastically decrease lower control arm movement by eliminating deflection of the factory rubber bushings. Next up, the cradle bushing lockout kit. This reduces wheel hop, bushing deflection, and cradle movement to nearly eliminate cradle bushing deflection, which is one of the biggest causes of wheel hop. On to the next, the IRS subframe support brace system. This reduces IRS movement and IRS assembly deflection, along with reinforcing critical areas of the IRS subframe by reducing leverage. Last but not least, the on-car adjustable tow rods for easy on-car adjustment and further reducing of deflection. If you are interested in learning more about the BMR suspension components or would like to get your car set up, contact us at APA Custom Shop and we will get you dialed in.